Alright guys, hello YouTube. So today I'm gonna unbox the Echo Dot third generation and also the smart plug that I got from Best Buy this Black Friday. Alright, so let's check it out. I think this is much better than the second generation. It feels solid and sturdy. Alright, so this is the user's manual. Supply. This one is okay. I got this smart plug with this bundled with the Echo for $30 this Black Friday. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. Okay, let's start and check this one out. Okay, there's really nothing much on this, just the switch or the plug. This only works with 100 to 120 volts, and this is the on and off switch. Alright guys, just a bonus unboxing. There's nothing really much onto this switch or smart plug. User's guide, it's user's manual. Okay, so this is the second generation. This one is much bigger. So let's see, but they do have. Let me just remove this. This one's a little bit bigger and a better speaker. So unlike the first or second generation, this is powered by USB and audio out, and this one is the power AC adapter plug into this. And also it still have the audio out port, and the same on the top. So plus and minus, and pretty much the same layout. So next thing is I'm gonna set this one up.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app. Your device is ready.
Alright, let's start to test. Hey Alexa. Let's give Alexa a try. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Long Beach, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Tonight, you can look for just a few skies
Alexa.
with a low.
Stop. Alexa, can you sing for me? Alexa, sing for me.
Oh, Captain, take me with you, take me on a journey. Oh, Captain, I beseech you, take me across the open sea. Trim the sails and
Alexa.
brave the gale.
Stop. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why couldn't the basketball stay in a relationship? It was always on the rebound.
Alright, there you go guys. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. And I do appreciate that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.